So you see what's going on. New headlight, old headlight. We putting the other one on today. And I have to fix that little gap right there. It's not lining up properly. But everything is tight. All the bolts is in and stuff. But yeah, that's what we doing today. And I gotta fix this because that 3M tape that it came with is so shitty. Look at that. That's bad. That's bad. We gotta fix that. So I forgot to record when I pulled up, but I'm at my boy crib. You know what I'm saying? That's Pops. That's Pav. That's Brian. You know what I'm saying? If y'all don't know, any new subscribers, whatever, this Brian Carr. Go follow him on Instagram, CLA_250. Brian. You know what I'm saying? This your boy right here. It's undergoing eye surgery right now. You know what I'm saying? Not heart surgery, but eye surgery. As you can see, we got the new headlight here. We got the OEM ones. You know what I'm saying? If anybody want to buy, these are OEMs, and you can always tell if they OEM when they got the Honda on the corners of the headlight. So if you want to buy, just hit me up on Instagram, Taylor Media, or you can hit me up on my car page, CL9_Meek. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I'm about to grab the new headlight right there. And yeah, I'm gonna put this on. Dog. We doing anything for that content, man. It's raining. Look. You know what I'm saying? We got it on. But yeah, it's raining. I'm out of here. She is complete. Next step is we definitely gotta do something about this front bumper. This shit is bad, bro. I'm gonna order this probably next week. But yeah, I gotta figure out. I'm probably gonna repaint this bumper, or if I can go to a pick and pull and find a bumper the same color, just swap it on. But yeah, it's on, boys. Should look good, I ain't gonna lie. That's tough. But he like a robot. This nigga just nah. Don't try to play it off now like you about to grab something out the bag, nigga. We saw you, buddy. You off that perky.
I'm working on dying. Penny X.
Now this shit got big, than ever. I just hopped the jet, this shit go straight to Ella. Bitch, I done got rich than ever. Now I got these woods bigger than ever. I been blocking shade, I sit under umbrellas.